Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I'm cannot making any blogging video and any English practicing video. Okay, so today I one video make and making purposes I have come here in our paddy field, and also I can see and in our paddy field. Okay, so in our behind side this is our paddy field. Before 1 week ago I saw in our paddy field, and that time this paddy field quality not good quality, and now I can see in our paddy field so very good quality. And dear friends, when I spend time at the time I try to make in English video, and this is the way for learning English. And today I have come here for in our paddy field, and I see purposes actually at the time I making video for learning English and practicing purposes. Okay, so dear friends, and English actually is a continuous process. It's a not shortcut way for learning English. Okay, you believe that English is a not shortcut way for learning English. It's a very long process. Okay, I also try my best for learning English. I try for learning English last 3 months or 4 months ago in our English start for journey. And when I spend time at the time I will try my best for learning English purposes. Whenever I go to another location at that time I will try a different type of video for learning English. Okay, so that is why for learning English. And I also and I have come here in our paddy field, so I make for one video and upload my on YouTube channel. Okay, so dear friends, and now I return my home and one video make actually. So dear friends, in this at this moment actually evening time, you can see sun almost set, and sky and weather today weather very good, very shine, and all around side very green environment in our village. And I also live in village because our English not for good, because I live in village and I try my English journey and learning journey so very difficult, because I live in village and not for English environment. And in our native and in our past language actually Bengali, and in our village actually all peoples speak in Bengali, and I learning for English because so many peoples I ask me why this learning for English, so so many things. So thank you.